For sound element, you must meditate. Now, let me explain it to you the shortcut of it. We all have people coming in our offices, our home. There is a place where we meet, we crack a deal, and we feel, wow, this was stroke of luck. How do we do that? You need to create a magnetic place, a magnetic aura by balancing these five elements in your work. How do you do that? North element or north direction is strong for water element. You can have a little water fountain here every day, switched on for a few moments to balance the cash flow situation in your place. Because north is the direction which balances water in your home. You can't balance the whole of earth. You can always save water and create water element in your space to have better cash flow, to have better relationships, to be an excellent communicator. Keep a lot of bamboos, lot of plants in east of your home. Why east? This is the direction from where sun rises, and hence we go out in the world to create our earning, to do something for ourselves. East is a very favorable direction for opportunities to come in. And what opportunities do we want to attract? Opportunities that brings growth, and growth is signified by plants, by keeping a lot of plants in the east of the house. That is why in olden times people used to place a tulsi and give water to tulsi with sunrise, because they were placed in east, the tulsi plant, and sun rays used to fall on it. So by placing a lot of plants in east and watering them, you signify and train your brain to look for the growth aspect in life. So have plants in the east of your office. Even if you have a small working table, you can have a little plant in the east of your table. To have more fire element, you can use color red or actual fire like a candle or a diya in the southeast or south of your office to have that mesmerizing effect, to have that fame quotient to you. You can also have your pictures with famous people in a red frame in south direction of your home and office, because that is the direction. So you can use a lot of red elements or red candles in the south of your office to have your brain programmed for fame. Similarly, to have more stability in life, we need stability in relationships, we need stability with finances. That is why in Vastu, they talk about keeping us safe in southwest direction, because this is the direction of stability. That is why they say that the head of the family should sleep in southwest, because this gives you a stable position in relationships. Having a family picture in southwest make your relationship stable, even if, because sometimes people live in apartments, the homes are not designed for them. The master or the head of the family cannot sleep in southwest. Well, all right, you can have a family picture in the southwest, because your brain somehow relates with it. Your subconscious or your unconscious will understand what is the motive behind it. Secondly, you can have all your investment papers, your property papers, your jewelry, things that we buy or we purchase for us to last for long in southwest direction, so that they remain with us for long. Now, to have more intuitive capacity, to become more intuitive, to become more powerful, to read other people's mind, west and northwest are very important directions for that. West direction, some people consider, a home should only be north facing, a home should only be east facing, a home should not be south facing. It's not true. What does your horoscope says? What is your planet saying? Is your Mars good? Are you meant for south direction? It will suit you. So nothing is bad or good, but what suits you? For some people, tea is good. For some people, water is good. What is suiting your system? That is the whole understanding about being and the science. To make your intuition go stronger, you should sit in west direction and meditate or even evaluate or introspect or write your ideas or your plannings in west direction. This is going to make your plannings come true. I know some of you would believe that this just seems like an hallucination. Is it possible? I would say, try it. Don't try it for one day, try it for 40 days. Because our brain takes 21 days to 40 days to reprogram it. Try it for 40 days. Any which ways, we have nothing to lose. We are trying something new. The problem with we as human beings is that we want to be in our comfort zone. And you know what is comfort zone? Comfort zone is a zone where nothing grows. So if you want to grow in life, you have to try something new. And if you try something new, new results will come. By doing the same thing again and again, you can't expect new results. This is one understanding that I would like to give to all of you. To myself also, I do the same thing. That destiny can just take you once there to that point. But are you trained for it? Are you trained to get benefits out of it? Can you actually make that opportunity a big turning point for you? So you have to train your mind. You have to look for that opportunity. I always remind myself, I have this habit of seeing the mail. You see that mail, red color mail that goes with all the letters on. So whenever I see that mail since childhood, I ask for a wish. I cross my fingers and then I don't talk. I don't open my fingers or talk till I don't see a red card. And after 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, sometimes longer also, I do see a red card. But otherwise, if I don't see a mail, I will never even look for a red card. You always get things in life that you look for. So I want to ask all of you, do you actually look for opportunities or do you sit and dream about it? If you dream about it and you're not taking actions against it, no luck or no opportunity is going to stay, or you will be able to encatch it also. We have to be very, very aware, very trained, very skilled, and very opportunist to grab that opportunity.